People who are subjects of an arrest warrant shouldn't easily be able to slip out of the country unless someone who was supposed to prevent such a scenario from actually happening aided them in their escape. This has always been the belief of authorities as to how Alice Guo and others were able to sneak out, and vow those who help them will be made accountable for their actions. Bien Manalo has the full report.
Lahat ng pwedeng panagutin sa mga ganap na krimen, pananagutin natin.
This was Department of Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla's latest assurance to the Filipino people. After different government agencies confirmed the arrest of dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Guo by Indonesian authorities in Tangerang City, Indonesia. Secretary Remulla believes that their initiatives and hard work led to the arrest of the former mayor.
Kaya inaresto ng Indonesian police yan, dahil sa alert na ginawa natin ng DFA, yun ang unang dahilan, no? Pero siyempre, may notice na rin yan, may blue notice na yan sa loob ng Interpol.
Alice Guo was not with her brother Wesley when the authorities arrested her. According to the Justice Department, Wesley is now in Hong Kong and the DOJ is doing everything in its power to trace his location and get him back to the country.
Si Commissioner Tansinko sa mga counterparts sa Hong Kong upang dumaan si Wesley Guo sa parehong proseso na dinaanan ni Sheila Guo.
Meanwhile, Wesley's sister Alice is already in the custody of the Indonesian police at Jatanras Mabes Polri. The Bureau of Immigration is in contact with the Indonesian immigration authorities on a potential deportation of Guo back to the country immediately. Remulla believes this is but solid proof of strengthened cooperation with the international law enforcement agencies in the pursuit of justice. The National Bureau of Investigation is also prepping the documents for Guo's return to the country immediately so she can finally face the cases against her, including the money laundering and the qualified human trafficking without bail.
Ginagawa ho namin lahat ng paraan para maibalik agad siya within the day or bukas. Basta yung pinakamabilis na maibalik namin siya dito.
When Guo lands in the Philippines, the Bureau of Immigration gets first dibs on her for immigration processing and inquest procedure on her reported immigration violations. Then, she will be taken to the NBI to be booked for her criminal liabilities, and then to the Senate, which incidentally was the first government entity to issue a warrant for her arrest. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.